Well, it's the first week of August and school is coming very quickly. Welcome to vlog number 12. This week has been my last full week of working a summer job, and I'm pretty excited about that because I'm very tired of it. It's been good, but I'm extremely exhausted. Next week I will be getting back in the classroom finally. I will be planning with my grade level a couple days, and then working a couple more days here at my job. Basically what I've been doing is putting up drywall, framing out drywall, tearing down drywall. Pretty much that's all I've been doing. And I've been to Raleigh, I've been to Charlotte, I've been to Mount Airy, I've been to Greensboro, and I've been working in High Point mostly the last week or so. But I am very excited to get back into the classroom. I'm looking forward to meeting my new students, looking forward to starting a fresh new year with new thoughts, new mindset, new heart, and I'm just looking forward to seeing what happens in the classroom this year. This is the last week finally of my summer job. We'll be getting back in the classroom a little bit this week to go over the new standards and hopefully get some things prepped for the classroom so that I could get a jump start when we go back next week, which I think is Friday. So I'm here by myself today, which is awesome because I can kind of work at my own pace and get stuff done, listen to podcasts. So I hope everyone's having a great summer, and I'm looking forward to seeing my new class very soon. So doing a little cleaning, a little straightening of the room, straightening of the filing cabinets. Check this out. I'm glad I came in today because I have a lot to do still, but it's good. It's kind of relieving, kind of relaxing, so have a great Thursday. A really cool thing I like about my school is there's some really good little restaurants right down the road, so you can walk to them. You don't have to drive. We're going to Y'all Come Back Now. Get it? It's the first day for teachers. Currently driving to the school for our first day back as teachers. Unfortunately, I was able to get a lot of my stuff cleaned up in my room over the last couple months. I only went in a couple times, but got everything set up pretty much like I want it. I've got everything organized as much as possible, and just have to decide how I'm going to keep up with all of it. That's the hard part. That's the fun part. So looking forward to getting back into the classroom. I'm looking forward to finding out who my kids will be. Yeah, it's gonna be a great year. That's my mantra. That's got to be the mantra. I want to be positive. I want to be positive for a lot of different things. What is happening? It is August 23rd, Thursday. Tonight, open house. So I get to meet the students to put faces to the names that I've had on my roster for the past couple days. We have been in full effect this week at school, getting things planned, organized, getting our classrooms in order. Primary focus is getting my head straight, getting my game face on. I get to meet with a parent today, which is super cool. Also, just trying to get the last minute details in order. I know there's something I'm forgetting right now. I am making a list to alleviate that issue. My first full year of teaching from beginning to end. Last year I started in December, in the middle of the year, so I had my I had my work cut out for me at that time. Also had my work cut out for me this year, but I think it's going to be great. I've got a good head on my shoulders. I got a new fresh do Got a new fresh shirt. I'm ready to go. Also got a new fresh Big Joe in the zebra print. Yes, I went with the zebra print. First, because of economy. It's the cheapest one that they had. Second of all, I just thought it would be weird just to have a zebra chair in the classroom. So this vlog is also, like some of my other vlogs, to hopefully help up-and-coming teachers, brand new teachers, student teachers. Not that I have anything figured out. I'm just letting you know what I'm going through, letting you know what I am experiencing so that you can kind of know what to experience, and we all experience it different ways. But I am already starting to think about next year, about how I want to plan the start of the year a little bit better. I want to have a little bit more in place. I've got a lot in place right now, and I've got a great team that I'm working with at my school. I've got a brand new teacher that just straight out of college, like I was back in December. So I think it's going to be a good dynamic, and I think that that's going to be a good opportunity for all of us to grow together, to learn how to work as a team. There's no preconceived issues or anything, or whatever. You know, I think all of us will be able to kind of create things and you know, organize and coordinate things together. Make a list of things that you might use, that you forgot to use. That way the next year, whenever you go into it, you know, oh, I need to have this in place, this in place, this in place. Try to use that little time to help you organize your thoughts, think about what you want to lay out, think about how you want to do it, and what time frame you'll have to work on that. Well, we had a amazing turnout at open house parent night, and I will say I've got a great group of kids. I'll probably always say that pretty much, but I have just some really cool kids, and I'm looking forward to working with them. Got to meet all the parents. I had two that didn't show up, but I'll probably meet them Monday. So yeah, I think it's going to be a great year. I'm already thinking through how I'm going to teach the lessons for some of them. I think I'm going to have to really be hands-on and active with a lot of the things that we do, which that's what I like to do anyway, but I think that's really going to benefit a lot of them, because especially some of my boys, they are very excitable. So I think some of them I'll have to get their attention, because they're probably going to be bored with just some normal boring work stuff. So that's not my style. So I'm hoping that we'll do some really cool things. In another video, I will make a list of different things that I think that I will want to have in place next year to simplify things for me and for parents. But I think I knocked it out of the park. I'm gonna go ahead and boldly say that I think I knocked it out of the park tonight. So anyways, look forward to the rest of this week for planning, get some rest this weekend, and hit Monday strong. So I hope to have this video up by then, or before.